trapezoid would be given? Never both. Generally trapezium is given. Which of the following can never be the measure of exterior angle of a regular polygon? You check my earlier videos 23-24. The formula for exterior angle of a polygon is given. Exterior angle of a polygon is 360 upon n, where n is number of sides. Now what we can do is, we know these are exterior angles, so we know this part. So what we can do is take n on this side and exterior angle on below. So what happens? N equals to number of sides equals to 360 upon each of these angles. Now check each one. 360 upon 20 possible, answer is 18. It's an integer. 360 upon 30 it's possible, answer is 12. 360 upon 36 is possible, answer is 10. But 360 upon 23 is 360 divided by 23, the answer comes in some point. So can the number of sides of any polygon be in points? No. So this exterior angle is not possible. Okay, so answer is A. A trapezium in which non-parallel sides are equal is known as isosceles trapezium or regular trapezium. Any one name can be given in the exam, both are same. See, this is a isosceles trapezium or regular trapezium. One pair of side is parallel and those non-parallel sides are equal. Next, four angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 1:2:3:4. Find the difference between the greatest and the smallest angle. What is the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral? That is 360, right? So let the angles be 1x, 2x, 3x and 4x. So add them. 1x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x equals to 360. Add them. 10x equals to 360. X equals to 360 upon 10. That is 36. So what we want? The difference between the greatest and the smallest angle. Greatest is 4x. So 4 into 36, 144. Smallest is 1x, 36. Difference 144 minus 36, that is 108. That is the required answer. Download Video app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I would suggest learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for that. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis so that you learn them within 3 months. Do it on a daily basis with a discipline. Those are useful to you throughout your life. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.